If you've lost access to your Yahoo Mail account and cannot receive verification codes, there are still steps you can take to recover your account. Follow this guide to regain access. Step 1. Visit the Yahoo Sign-In Helper. Go to the Yahoo Sign-In Helper page. Enter your Yahoo email address or mobile number associated with your account and click Continue. Step 2. Choose Recovery Options. If you can't receive verification codes, select I don't have access to this phone or I don't have access to this email. Yahoo will provide alternative recovery options based on the information you have previously set up. Step 3. Answer security questions. If prompted, answer any security questions you set up when creating your account. Providing the correct answers can help verify your identity and allow you to reset your password. Step 4. Use account recovery email. If you have an alternative email address linked to your Yahoo account, check that email for a recovery link. Follow the instructions in the email to reset your password and regain access. Step 5. Contact Yahoo support. If none of the above methods work, visit the Yahoo help page and navigate to the Contact Us section. Explain your situation and provide any relevant information to get assistance from Yahoo support. By following these steps, you should be able to recover access to your Yahoo Mail account even without verification codes. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to Yahoo support for further help.